So we take our nut, feed it through there till it bottoms out, and we'll do this on the left side and right side to keep some even pressure going. All right, so the front of our bearing right here decided it was just gonna break free before this breaks free from the steering knuckle. So we're gonna go air chisel. We could take our torches and cut it in half, help break it free, whatever we gotta do. It's rusty, it's stuck in there. Get creative. This is just one of them ones that you don't run into every day, but it's stuck. You gotta bust out the big guns sometimes. All right, so I cut a line with my torch about as far as I could go without thinking I was gonna melt the CB axle boot, and just started working it. You can see how much I hammered right there, enough to break the metal. Just trying to get it to break free. It's just, here on this channel, we show the good days and the bad days, all right? Sometimes it's ugly, and this one's ugly. So it's starting to break free finally. We're behind two of our ears here. It's nice and hot and toasty. Woo. You can see we smashed the crap out of here. So we're gonna go over this with a wire wheel, go through these holes with a drill bit, clean them out. So there's the back of our bearing right there. Toasty. There we go, that looks better. Look how much corrosion and powder is inside there, guys. It was just holding it in. Take a little Dremel tool, get all that cleaned up.